welcome back to our channel. Welcome back.
Hello, party people.
I need to adjust my position. I look like I'm like...
Say bad words, man.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our
Straight
channel.
cross shot.
Please remember to like and subscribe. Excited for our next video. We're just gonna do kind of a little fun video today where Mogens has to dress me in 3 outfits, but he has to dress me in completely from pieces from his closet. So like, even if nothing fits me, it's gotta be from his closet. I think only exception is shoes. Mogens can't just put me in whatever he wants from his closet because I decided it would be fun to make it even more difficult for him.
What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting different categories in a hat. Could be eras, different
like
styles.
90s street style, Studio 54.
Don't know what that is, so I'm gonna have to read up on that before I
Andy
style you
Warhol.
like that.
It's be like 60s flower child, Y2K.
Yeah, you get the gist.
Yeah, and Mogens is gonna draw 3 of them from the hat, and he has to style me in 3 outfits of whatever category that he chooses. We're gonna draw these live. This isn't staged. Mogens genuinely has no idea what he's gonna be doing for me. Oh, all right, let's see what the first one is.
All right, I'm gonna not look. Thank you, Dad. Knock one out.
No, okay.
This is a winner right here.
Okay.
We have Paris chic minimal.
Do you know what that is? Like, for like girls? Like the
Sure.
whole like Paris aesthetic? Okay, don't worry, I'll show him pictures. I can throw some examples in the videos. Okay, think like Paris Fashion Week model street style.
For starters, I like to start with pants when it comes to selecting an outfit.
They're gonna be these suit pants on me, like a slim straight, but I'm hoping that on her they'll be a little bit kind of, I don't know, a little bit baggier. Already got them cuffed. Hopefully that's gonna be high enough for her. We need something to kind of work with her proportions, so something a little bit slimmer on top. For that, we'll go with essential quarter zip t-shirt. She'll wear this tucked into the pants. For an outer layer, I was gonna go for one of these. So I think that tying the black together would be this blazer. I found it in New York at a thrift store. Grab a belt from back here. Let's see, so we'll go with this one. It has one of these sort of buckles on it. That's very easily adjustable. Around her waist, hanging right about here. Last piece, we went and grabbed these boots from her apartment. I really like how high up these go. Next thing you guys see is gonna be her walking out wearing the fit, and fingers crossed it looks good.
I have to say that I'm really impressed by Mogens' first look in this challenge. I think he really nailed the whole Paris chic look by using a grayscale color scheme, but he also added a lot of his own unique and personal touches to the outfit. Although getting those pants to stay up was definitely a struggle, I would say this is something I would definitely wear out.
Okay, got one. So, early 2010s Arctic Monkeys / Tumblr.
Okay!
That's a style?
Do you not remember all those like Tumblr blogs? And it was like kind of like grungy. The American Apparel tennis skirts.
Oh, okay.
The iced coffee pictures with like the Arctic Monkey album cover.
So, I'm picking out the second look for M. This is the 2010s Tumblr type thing. I went ahead and picked out the shorts already. The base that we're gonna start with. I have these black vintage denim shorts. So yeah, there you go. Those are kind of high-waisted, so I'm thinking something a little bit baggier for the shirt. For that, I have kind of pastel sort of theme going on. So I'm leaning towards this vintage Swatch 1987 polo. I think the kind of pastel pink with the black will go really well. Kind of punk sort of style that we're going for here. With that, I'm thinking a pair of boots. Grab the boots, and I think the perfect boot for this fit is gonna be the Doc Martens, all black with a little platform. Those are gonna go really well with the black shorts, and the black will kind of tie in with the black on the pink shirt. Then probably go with some tan socks and leave the accessories out. Outfit is loud enough. We'll see what she has to say about that one. You will see what it looks like now.
So the reason that I know that Mogens nailed this one is because I'm equally parts impressed and uncomfortable wearing it at the same time. This outfit is probably the farthest from my actual style, but it makes me feel like an authentic, true Tumblr e-girl. The pastel girliness with the shirt, and then the grunge added in the shorts and the boots really just give this that early 2010s alternative style. So third and final drawing. Maybe we'll do 4, but for now it's third and final drawing. Some of them are pretty easy for you. You got 2 hard ones.
Okay. 90s Kate Moss, Calvin Klein. See, this I can work with.
So the third and final look that I got for this challenge was the 90s Kate Moss / Calvin Klein style. So starting again with the bottoms, I went and grabbed these vintage Calvin Klein jeans. I figured it was fitting since that's part of the challenge, have some kind of bleach stains on them. Hoping that with like a big cuff, hopefully be a little bit cropped on her. The belt, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep the same as the first fit, which is this one, because it cinches around her waist really well. And I think the black is gonna go well with the shoes that I have in mind. As far as tops go, again, I want to keep it a little bit slimmer. We'll go with this actually, I think. So this is a Hanes tank top. You can buy these in packs, I don't know, like 12 or something like that at Walmart. But it's kind of long, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and chop up and kind of make it a tank top for her, because I feel like that would go really well with the 90s look. The shoes that I think are gonna work well for this fit, black heels, which I think are gonna look really good with cuff on the jeans. Again, fingers crossed that she likes this one. Yeah, we will see how this goes.
This is by far my favorite outfit of the 3 of today's challenge. I think I love it so much, partially due to the fact that this is the closest to my true style, but I also just love the way that Mogens put this together. The accessories that he added to it, like the chain necklace or the chain around the pants, really just give this an authentic 90s character. He also really nailed the model Kate Moss part, because this is something that I would actually wear to a model casting.
So it's a few days later.
We had to change outfits because this video took us the span of a few days to film. It was the first week of school. We were pretty busy. So that's why we changed outfits. Final thoughts. I'm honestly really impressed with how Mogens did. I know I love his style, but like, I was genuinely really impressed that he managed to make all of those pieces even look like they fit on me. Some of those clothes, especially the pants, were like 5 inches too big. Also, I really liked how you managed to kind of capture the essence of each of the categories, but you still kind of added your own like personal touch to it.
That's what I was trying to do. I don't want to just copy outfits directly from that style to a T.
Yeah. I think this is a really great video because it kind of shows, especially for girls, you can add so much diversity to your outfit by shopping in the men's department, stealing from your boyfriend. This is Mogen's shirt, actually.
You don't have a boyfriend, from your
brother's dad, whatever.
Guy friend.
You can really just add a lot to your outfit and you can change up your look and you have twice the amount of pieces to work with. There were a couple of categories that weren't drawn, so if y'all liked this video, let us know and we can do multiple of these where Mogen styles me with just different categories.
Yeah, because this was a lot of fun. I'd be
this was fun.
Thanks to everybody who has liked and subscribed.
Yeah, honestly, we just want to say thank you for all of the support on the first video. I think we're over 200 views right now, and to be quite honest, Mogens and I thought we'd get like 12.
We weren't expecting
and that would be like from our family members. So thank you to everyone that's subscribed and viewed our video. It really means a lot. Kind of motivated us to keep doing this consistently.
More videos are on their way.
New videos coming up soon, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching this one.
Hope you enjoy.